Thank you for your interest in this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to start a new online course on Udemy.com. Udemy.com is one of the most popular, if not the best online, where you can publish and sell online courses. Now, before we go to the practical steps, let me inform you that you should subscribe to this channel, like this video, write a comment, and share this video with your friends. I'll be glad if you can do that. Now, I'm starting a new online course, and I want to believe also that you have registered on Udemy.com, you have logged in into your dashboard, and also your account has been approved to sell online. Maybe I'm going to share another video on how you can ensure that your account is approved for publication and sale of online courses on Udemy.com. So after you logged into your dashboard, then you scroll up, you can see it here under courses. You scroll up, you can find that here. Then you click on new courses. Under courses, you click on new courses. Then it takes you to this place. Now, in this place, you have two options. Are you creating an online course or creating a practice test? Now, what we want to create is an online course. You click on that, and then you click continue at the bottom. Now, this place is asking you if you are going to, that you suggest a working title. Now, you can always change it later on. I'm still going to show you that. I'm still going to show you that. So, you can, let us say, searches in the age of AI. You can, just like I said, you can still change it later on, and I'm still going to show you that searches in the age of AI. So let me click continue. Now you have to choose a category here. You can still do a lot of you can still change all of this. So let me pick a category. Let me pick a category, and if you don't know it, you can click on I don't know yet. So let me pick a category. Now let me just pick something IT and software. You can still change, and on this place you are going to, this is a new something on Udemy.com. Whether you want this to be available for content opportunities, you can decide to continue, or you can pick any of the options here where you want your content to be available for content opportunities. I'm going to use another video to explain this. So for this, you can pick yes, or you pick not right now. Not right now. Let me just pick not right now. Then what do we do? Then I picked up not right now. Let me continue. Now, on this page, you have to pick an option. Very busy right now. You're busy right now. I haven't yet decided if I have time. I have a lot of flexibilities. 5 hours. I work on this side. Let me pick the second option. I leave you to pick this option on your own. Then you click on create course. Then it loads and takes you to the next page. One thing about Udemy platform is that it's so easy to navigate and so beautiful. You understand? So easy to navigate and so beautiful to now. After you get to this page, you can see on top, on the right hand side corner, submit for review. You are not submitting for review yet because you have not uploaded any video. You have not done all the things that you have to do. Then what are the things? All the things that you have to do. And you see this on the left, top left hand corner of this particular page, 3 horizontal lines. You click on them. These 3 horizontal, this is where you can see a lot of options, a lot of the things you have to do. Is that okay? Every one of them must be marked before you can be able to submit for review. And the issue is that what you need to know is that for each option, some of them are tutorials. So Udemy wants you to go through those tutorials before you can be able, so that you can be able to upload your publish your online course appropriately. So let me click on this. You can see that this is all of them will give. This will give you a tutorial on that particular option that you pick. Now you can see for intended learners. intended learners, you have to come here. Now look at this. What will students learn in your course? Now you just have to pick. You have to write what students will learn in your course. Search engine optimization. Generative engine optimization. You have to pick it. You can add more to your response. Do you understand? You can add more to your response. And I can also add artificial intelligence and SEO. You understand? As you understand, and SEO, I can also add on-page SEO. You can see that if you want more, you can click on add more to your response. Now on this page, you can what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course? The requirement, you can just write no experience is needed. You can just write no experience is needed. You can also add more to your response. Who is this course for? Who is it for? Website owners. You can see, add more to your response. You can also write blog owners. Then you can also write SEO expert. I can add more. Web masters. You can also add more. Website developers. Website developers. Website developers. You can see. Now, as you are doing this, you can be saving. You can be saving. Can you see this? You can be saving now. I can just save, and then so that now you can see your changes have been saved. Let me dismiss. So you can come back again, and then course structure. That's a tutorial. You find tutorial on this page. Yeah, this is a tutorial. So after you can go through to learn one or two things, then you can come back and you can see it has marked it because I checked it. Set up and test video. This is a tutorial too. You understand that you can go through it so that you can be able to do your job very well. You can see it has marked it. It didn't mark the first option because it is optional. Then film and edit, create your content is also a tutorial. How do you film and edit your content? So you can see it has marked it. Curriculum is where you have to upload your lectures, and you have to upload your lectures, and that's another video I'm going to show you. That's going to be another video. Is that okay? Where you can upload your lectures. So it won't mark that because we have not uploaded. And do you know that you have to upload about at least five lecture videos, 5 lecture videos before you can qualify. You can be qualified for your course to be approved on Udemy.com. Captions. If you want captions to be enabled, is also optional. Now it's also optional. Then there's the course landing page, which is very, very important. Course landing page. This is where I told you you can be able to change the course title here, and this is the subtitle. Let me say this is the subtitle. This is the subtitle. This is the subtitle. And this is where you have the course description. You can also put this course description here. I'm sure you should be able to do that. Then basic information. You can still change the category here if you like. And then subject level, beginner level. Then the select subcategory. You can select subcategory. Then the course image. You can see the dimension of the course image, 750 by 422 pixels. Now you should create that, and let me tell you, for course image, you should only include or just put an image. And Udemy will not approve it if you put text on your course cover or course image. So you can upload the file. Then promotional video, very important for your online courses on Udemy. Promotional video, the short videos that you use to introduce your course to potential buyers, potential students for your course is very, very important. You have to do that very, very well. So that's for curriculum. That's for curriculum. That's for the course landing page. You have to fill all those spaces before it can be marked. And this is for pricing. This is for pricing. Now it's asking me to save. It's asking me to save. Then save. You should always save. Then for pricing, you click on pricing. You understand that your pricing, you should be able to set the price for your course. You have to set the price for your course. Then also, so this is set the price for your course. Now let us look at the last one. We have promotions that's marked. Then course messages. Course messages has to do with the welcome message and also the congratulations message. That's the message that people receive. The message that people receive after they finished your online course. So I believe then after you must have done that, then you have been able to start. It's still in draft. It's still in draft, so it's not published yet because you are still going to submit for review. But you have been able to start your online course on udemy.com. You can just put all the lectures, shoot your videos, read the tutorials, and do the proper things so that you can submit for review. Other videos in this series will show you some of these other areas, what you can do. I believe you have enjoyed this. Please share this video, subscribe to this channel, write a comment, and we want to read from you at the Solution TV. Thank you so much.